welcome back. And if the title of the video didn't give it away, I have had the honour of announcing the November 2025 Stealth Camping Alliance Challenge. There are a couple of rules which I'll list at the end of the video. The main rule for this month is you must stealth camp on a roundabout. Now I know that's not possible for everybody from some different countries where roundabouts are more or less than in the UK, or they don't have them. So a crossroads is also an acceptable place to camp. I have in fact come back to the place that I have stealth camped before. It was my second roundabout, I believe. I've done 3 or 4 over my time of stealth camping, but this was my second one, and it was of course with the Fun Facts Ford. But the challenge this month, guys, is a roundabout challenge. In your video, you'll need to hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance and hashtag Roundabout Challenge are the 2 main components of the video. There is a sub-side challenge, which you don't have to do. It's just something fun if you want to take part in. And for me, on my camps, a big part of my camps, I do apologise, I'm actually on the roundabout. That is a police car, ambulance. So they're not coming for us, luckily. Something I do regular on my videos is I do reviews of alcohol, beers, wines, spirits, whatever we fancy that evening. So for my little twist, guys, is I want you to bring your favourite beverage out. It doesn't have to be alcohol. It could be a certain type of coffee, squash, whatever it is that takes your fancy, and I want to hear why. And that is, guys, the Stealth Camping Alliance Challenge for this month. That is for November 2025. Very quickly, guys, if you are new to stealth camping or interested in getting involved, this is a great place to start. So if it's something that intrigues you, check out the Stealth Camping Alliance. They bring out a challenge every month and they do great things. Everyone gets involved with everyone's video, and it's just a great experience, guys. I jumped in about 2-3 months in after I started doing it, and they've been nothing but fantastic. There's some great channels on there. I ain't gonna reel them all off because there's so many. Check them out, guys, those Stealth Camping Alliance. Just YouTube it and there'll be tons of people come up, guys. So for my challenge, it is a roundabout / crossroads stealth camp challenge. Right, I'll list the rules here, somewhere, guys. I might just dot them about, you know what I mean? So I'll list a few rules we have got. Final thing I will add is that the video you make will need to be premiered on the 28th, 29th or 30th of November. Side challenge is up to you, you don't have to do it. Other than that, guys, thank you very much for watching, and as always, I'll catch you absolute legends in the next video. Cheers, guys.